In today's digital world, a website is often the first point of contact between a business and its potential customers. It's the digital storefront that can make or break a first impression. A user-friendly website is crucial for success. It ensures that visitors can easily find what they are looking for without frustration. Usability focuses on making websites easy to use and navigate. This involves intuitive design, clear instructions, and a seamless user journey. A usable website provides a positive user experience. When users enjoy their time on your site, they are more likely to return. It can lead to increased conversions, customer satisfaction, and brand loyalty. Happy users are more likely to become repeat customers. Usability matters because it directly impacts your bottom line. A well-designed website can significantly boost your business performance. If people can't use your site, they can't buy your products. Frustration leads to lost sales and missed opportunities. They won't sign up for your services. A complicated sign-up process can deter potential customers. They won't find the information they need. Poor navigation and unclear content can drive users away. A well-designed website should be easy to navigate. Clear menus and logical structure are key. It should be visually appealing. Aesthetics play a crucial role in keeping users engaged. The content should be clear and concise. Users appreciate straightforward and easy-to-read information. When users have a frustrating experience on your site, they're likely to leave and go to a competitor. This can result in a loss of potential business. By prioritizing usability, you create a website that caters to your users' needs. This involves continuous testing and improvement. This leads to a more successful online presence. A user-friendly website can drive traffic and increase engagement. In the next sections, we'll delve into the key principles and best practices of designing for usability. Stay tuned to learn how to make your website more effective and user-friendly. Navigation is how users find their way around your site. It's the roadmap that guides them through your content. Information architecture is how you organize your content. It's the structure that makes your site logical and easy to use. A well-structured website makes it easy for users to find what they're looking for, enhancing their overall experience. There are several types of navigation menus, each serving different purposes. These include horizontal, vertical, and mega menus, each with unique features. Each has its pros and cons. Horizontal menus are familiar and intuitive for most users. They work well for sites with a limited number of pages, keeping navigation simple and straightforward. Vertical menus offer more space for links and are ideal for content-rich sites. Mega menus are great for large websites with many categories, providing a comprehensive overview. When designing navigation, keep it clear and consistent to avoid user confusion. Use descriptive labels that accurately reflect the content of each page, aiding user understanding. Breadcrumb navigation helps users understand their location within the site, making backtracking easier. Drop-down menus can accommodate more links, offering additional navigation options. Keep them shallow to avoid overwhelming users with too many choices at once. For mobile devices, responsive design is crucial to ensure usability across all screen sizes. Ensure your navigation adapts seamlessly to smaller screens, providing a smooth user experience. A sitemap is like a blueprint of your website's structure, outlining the main sections and pages. A wireframe is a visual representation of a single page, showing the layout and elements. Both tools help you plan and organize your content effectively, ensuring a logical and user-friendly design. A call to action, or CTA, is a prompt that encourages users to take a specific action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. This could be anything from buy now to sign up free, or even download your free guide. CTAs are essential for driving conversions and turning visitors into customers. Effective CTA design is crucial for guiding users towards your desired outcome, whether it's a sale or a subscription. Placement is key for CTAs. They should be strategically positioned where users are most likely to see them. Make sure they are prominently displayed and easy to find, so users don't have to search for them. Use clear, concise language that tells users exactly what to expect when they click. Download your free ebook is more compelling than simply download. Design visually appealing buttons that attract attention. Use contrasting colors to make them stand out against the background of your web page. Ensure your CTAs are accessible to all users, including those with disabilities, by following web accessibility guidelines. A/B testing is a valuable technique for optimizing your CTAs. It allows you to compare different designs and placements, By testing different versions, you can determine which one performs best and drives the most conversions. Forms are crucial for collecting information from users. From contact forms to checkout pages, well-designed forms can significantly impact conversions. Keep forms short and to the point. Only ask for essential information. Use clear labels and input fields. Provide helpful error messages if users make mistakes. Mobile-friendly form design is essential. Ensure your forms are easy to complete on smaller screens. Consider using input masking for phone numbers or credit card details. This helps users enter information correctly. Accessibility is also crucial for forms. Use proper labeling and coding to ensure users with disabilities can easily navigate and complete them. Streamline the form completion process as much as possible. Consider using autofill or pre-filled fields to save users time. Section 5. Accessibility and inclusive design. Web accessibility means making your website usable for everyone, including people with disabilities. This includes individuals with visual, auditory, motor, and cognitive impairments. The Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, or WCAG, provide a set of standards for web accessibility. Following these guidelines ensures your website is accessible to a wider audience. Assistive technologies, such as screen readers and keyboard navigation, help people with disabilities access the web. When designing your website, consider these technologies and how users might interact with your content. Use sufficient color contrast, provide text alternatives for images, and ensure your website is navigable using only a keyboard. Inclusive design benefits everyone, not just those with disabilities. Section 6. Visual hierarchy and design. Visual hierarchy is the arrangement of elements on a page to guide the user's eye. Use size, color, and contrast to emphasize important information. A clear visual hierarchy makes your content easier to scan and understand. White space or negative space is just as important as the elements themselves. It gives your design room to breathe and improves readability. Choose a font that is easy to read on screen. Popular choices include Arial, Helvetica, and Verdana. Use a font size that is large enough to read comfortably. Avoid using too many different fonts or font sizes, as this can make your design look cluttered and unprofessional. Use color strategically to highlight important elements, create visual interest, and evoke emotions. Section 7. Content readability and scannability. People rarely read web pages word for word. They scan for key information. Make your content easy to scan by using headings, subheadings, bullet points, and short paragraphs. Use clear and concise language. Avoid jargon or technical terms that your target audience may not understand. Write in a conversational tone to engage your readers. Use visuals, such as images and videos, to break up text and make your content more engaging. Ensure your visuals are relevant to your content and add value to the user experience. Use white space effectively to improve the readability of your content. Don't be afraid to use headings and subheadings liberally to break up your text. Section 8. Mobile-first design. With more people accessing the internet on mobile devices than ever before, designing for mobile is crucial. Mobile-first design means designing for smaller screens first and then scaling up for larger screens. This ensures your website is optimized for the growing mobile audience. Use a responsive design framework such as Bootstrap or Foundation to streamline the mobile design process. Optimize images and videos for mobile to reduce loading times. Use large finger-friendly buttons for easy navigation. Keep your mobile design clean and clutter-free to avoid overwhelming users. Test your website on a variety of mobile devices to ensure it is responsive and user-friendly. Section 9. Usability testing. Usability testing involves observing users as they interact with your website. This valuable feedback helps you identify key areas for improvement. You can conduct usability testing in person or remotely. There are various methods, including eye tracking and heat maps. These tools provide insights into user behavior. Recruit representative users for your target audience. During testing, observe their behavior and ask for their feedback. Use the findings from usability testing to make data-driven design decisions. Even small changes based on user feedback can significantly improve your website's usability. Section 10. Conclusion: user-centered design for success. Designing for usability is not a one-time task but an ongoing process. By adopting a user-centered approach, you can create websites that meet the needs of your target audience. Remember to prioritize clear navigation, effective CTAs, accessible design, and scannable content. Regularly test your website and make adjustments based on user feedback. By investing in usability, you invest in the success of your website and your business. A user-friendly website leads to happier customers, increased conversions, and a stronger online presence. Embrace the principles of usability and watch your website thrive in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Section 11, Resources and Further Reading. Usability.gov- a comprehensive resource for usability best practices and guidelines. Nielsen Norman Group, a leading voice in usability research and consulting. A Book Apart, a publisher of brief books for people who make websites. Smashing Magazine, a website and ebook publisher dedicated to web design and development. Continuously learning and staying up to date with the latest usability trends is crucial for creating exceptional online experiences.